freedom of disposition. Andyan ang mga transfers or transmission of property na voluntaryo at habang nabubuhay pang isang tao, katulad na lang halimbawa ng bentahan at donation.
Yes.
Andyan din naman ang transfer at transmission of property na nangyayari pag namatay ng isang tao sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng last will and testament o yung naaayon sa isinasaad ng batas o yung by operation of law.
Tama, Judge. Yung huling nabanggit ni Judge, yung transmission or transfer of property na nangyayari sa oras na namatay ang isang tao, ang tawag doon ay succession. And according to Article 774 of the Civil Code, succession is a mode of acquisition by virtue of which the property, rights, and obligations to the extent of the value of the inheritance of a person are transmitted through his death or others, either by will or by operation of law. Ang elements or requisites ng succession ay una, death, pangalawa, transmissible inheritance, pangatlo, successor o successors who must be living and capacitated to inherit unless there is a right of representation, at pang-apat ay yung acceptance or non-repudiation by the successor of the inheritance.